In 60 seconds, I will show you how to customize your Fifth Third dashboard to track spending. First, log in to online banking and open the Dashboard tab at the top of the page. Click the Customize button on the right to edit widgets and categories. Select Manage Categories to rename, merge, or create new spending categories. Open a category, set a monthly budget amount, and toggle alerts for overspending. Return to the dashboard to see updated spending totals and the category breakdown chart. On mobile, open the Fifth Third app and tap Dashboard at the bottom of the screen. Tap the three dots, then edit categories to adjust labels or assign transactions. For any category, tap Set Budget, enter your amount, and save to activate tracking. Swipe to Spending Insights to view totals, trends, and month-over-month comparisons. Enable budget alerts and settings and export monthly reports if you want a CSV backup. Now your dashboard will track spending automatically. Check it weekly to stay on budget.